these pieces, these are just very basic wood strips, and I stained them with a dark stain and then I lacquered them. But I need to fasten these to this mirror right here. And what I'm gonna use is some silicone, just a small bead, very, very small, right down the middle. And then I need to use a little bit of hot melt here as well to hold it in place while that silicone sets up. And that's ready to go. Try to fit this other piece. Just kind of right down. And that's how it looks like once I've siliconed and hot melted the side pieces on. Still need to make the window panes. Now you want to cut a piece for the middle and silicone and hot melt that on just a little bit. You don't need a lot of silicone and hot melt. And I got these two little pieces that'll go in between. This is loose, but I'll silicone and hot melt that down as well. These mirrors are all set. The silicone has set. And these pieces will not be coming off anytime soon. They're on there really well. All you need is just a little bit of silicone. And you're probably wondering how I'm going to mount this to the wall. Well, once again, I'm going to use silicone. I've actually already siliconed those pieces of wood on. They're on there really well. I'm trying to pull really hard. They're not coming off. And it's just, I just mounted those right to the back of the mirror using 100% silicone. And that is how I'm going to hang it to the wall. I'm going to screw screws into the wall, and then the screws are going to set right inside that little notch that I made. There and there. I'm going to do the same thing to this.
It's so weird. I know.
There's the screws. I got 2 for that one, 2 for this one.
It's also like they're in a bunker in the ground. That's not even an exaggeration.
There's the mirrors without the wreath. And there is the finished product. We got that wreath at Hobby Lobby. It really doesn't take too many materials, just a couple mirrors and some stain and some affordable strips of wood and a little bit of patience.